All right, today in math we're going to talk about the last shape. We've learned 5 so far. So let's go over our DLO, review the shapes, and then we'll talk about the shape we're going to focus on, circles. All right, here's our DLO. Today I will find and describe a flat circle. Circle, what's a circle? Think about that. Let's review all the other shapes real quick. What shape is this? Square. How many sides does a square have? 4. Why is a square special? Because it has 4 equal sides. Equal means the same. So all of the sides are the same, and it doesn't matter which way I turn it, it will always be a square because a square has to have 4 equal sides, and it doesn't matter if it's turned sideways, facing this way, or a little crooked, it will always be a square. And it has 4 vertices. Vertices are the corners. Next shape, hexagon. We learned this one yesterday. We talked about it. Hexagon. Hex means what? 6. Hex means 6, so it has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Vertices are the corners. So it has 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides for it. Hexagon. We see hexagons when the bees make their honeycombs. Next shape is a rectangle. Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 vertices, just like a square, except rectangles are special because they have 2 short sides, 2 long sides. And again, it doesn't matter if it's tall or flat like this or shorter, it will always be a rectangle. Whichever direction it's facing, it will always be a rectangle because it has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Next shape, triangle. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. So it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The vertices are the corners. Well, let me go back to this triangle real quick because with the class, I turned the triangle sideways and I asked them if it was still a triangle. And the kids in class said, no, it's not a triangle anymore. But then after they counted all the sides and the vertices, they did realize it's still a triangle. Just because it's turned sideways doesn't mean it's not a triangle anymore because it still has 3 sides. And I drew another triangle for them too. And I said, is that a triangle? And they said, no, it's not a triangle. But then we counted the sides. 1, 2, 3. And then we counted the vertices. 1, 2, 3. And the kids realized, oh, it is a triangle. But just because it looks different than another triangle doesn't mean it's not a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So it doesn't matter what kind of triangle it is. It just has to have those. So now let's look at our last shape. Circle. That's the shape we're going to focus on today. A circle has 0 straight sides and 0 vertices. It's just one big curve all the way around. So here's our circle. No straight sides, no vertices. So I want you to take a look around your house or your room and see if you find anything with a circle or a circle face on it. Look around. What do you see that looks like a circle? I have a couple circles for you. I have a penny, so our coins are circles. The top of a donut is a circle, and there's even the donut hole is a circle on the inside. If you bake a cookie right, it turns out like a circle. Some buttons are circles. You might have this game at your house. It's a dartboard. And there's lots of circles in here. There's the circle shape on the outside and then the circles on the inside. Some clocks are the shape of a circle. Some emojis are in the shape of a circle. Some dinner plates are in the shape of a circle. And lollipops have a circle shape on top. Now, after you have found some circles at home, go ahead and get your shape worksheet. turn to your circle page and you'll complete this today. Just like we've done in the past, you'll trace it. Here you'll trace it and write how many sides it has. Here it says draw a circle. Draw your best circle. Here it says circle and count the corners. Down here, you're going to color all the items that are circles. If it's not a circle, cross it out. And that's all you're going to do today. So now it's your turn.